Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing data, back up all user and system databases, and export any master keys. You must not lose credentials. Next, stop SQL Server services using services. MSC or netstop commands so files aren't locked. Make note of instance names, service accounts, and whether this is clustered or part of replication, because that changes removal steps. Once done, disable automatic restarts and remove any scheduled jobs that might restart services so the uninstall proceeds cleanly. You now run the SQL Server installer or go to Programs and Features to remove the instance and shared features. Choose the correct instance name when prompted. If you have separate tools like SQL Server Management Studio, uninstall those separately because they use different installers. After the GUI uninstall, manually inspect program files, program data, and registry keys for leftovers. Remove orphaned Windows services tied to SQL Server. Make sure to preserve any remaining backups before deleting folders, and document what you remove. Finish by deleting data, log, and backup directories only after confirming backups exist. Then remove service accounts and local groups if they are unused. Clean registry entries under Microsoft SQL Server and related product keys, and delete leftover Windows services. Reboot the server to ensure nothing auto-starts. If something goes wrong, consult the SQL Server setup logs and Windows Event Viewer for error codes. Rerun the installer in repair mode if needed, and restore from backups if any database objects were removed unintentionally.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.